Good morning, guys. Dan Kale here with Liquidation Pros, and it's about a little after 7 a.m. and headed to the flea market today. It's a very cold Saturday morning. It is 17 degrees outside right now here in Maryland, and it's supposed to be high winds and a winter storm coming tomorrow. So that should bode fairly well for us indoor vendors. So I have an inside booth that I'll show you guys. You may have saw a clip of it in the previous video. And when it's really cold and nasty outside, really no one sets up out in the parking lot. So basically they have parking lot tape. You can set up in a parking spot, bring your own table, set up outside your car, and those are $20 a space. Then they have indoor tables in like a big bingo hall area, and those are $20 per table. And then they have different booths that you can rent. The booth that I'm renting is, I think it's 15 by 20, but anyhow, I can double check when we get down there. But anyhow, that one is 150 bucks a weekend, so it's $35 a day. My goal on a day like today, and then as well as tomorrow, is to make $500 minimum in a day. So 500 today, 500 tomorrow is a $1,000 weekend. A little bit more than 10% of that, 15% of that would go towards rent, which would be the $150. I don't have any labor for the flea market because it's myself. I'm the one working it. So pretty much any profit is going to be going straight to me. The other expense would be like tables and things like that, but I've purchased those over the years. I don't really have any cost in them right now. But we've had weekends where we've done 1,500, 1,600, both days combined. And I have other weekends where I've only done 700 or 800. So on average, I should be able to do $500. The traffic in the flea market has slowed down a bit because we are a couple weeks outside of Christmas. It's the middle of January now. So with it being later in the winter months, it's not quite as busy. People are still getting out shopping. I know people are finally starting to do file their taxes, the ones that can. So they'll have a little bit more spending money, but it has been slowing down the past 2 weekends. And my hope is to only keep my booth open for probably about 2 more weekends. So I just want to do like a day in the life of a flea market reseller or a vendor and show you guys some of the interactions, maybe some of the stuff I have there. End of the day, I'll give you guys a recap and show you how much money I made. So let's go ahead, we'll get down there, get set up for the day, and I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like. Just pulling in, there are some diehards out here in the parking lot. It is, like I said, 17 degrees out. The high's gonna be 24. It's windy. Not too windy yet, but it's supposed to be windy. A few people there. That one guy's always in. There's quite a few people set up. So $20 for a parking space to be set up outside. There's a shoe guy, a bunch of used shoes. So a few people down here already. Let's get inside and make some money. You want the hangers? Don't matter. We're going back. I looked that up. It's like 20, 30 bucks on eBay.
Yeah.
It's actually a real like vintage one.
Yeah.
I was kind of shocked it was in there. Yeah, any of the toy guys would probably want that.
What is this? Like,
it's like a blackening curtain for your window. It helps keep the sunlight out. Like a room darkening.
because I need to out to the shower.
Not the shower, I don't think. Not a shower curtain.
Can I do that?
Huh?
Can I do
As long as you put it back in the bag.
that? Yes.
I filmed for about 30 minutes. In the first hour and a half, I already did over $200. So I'm not sure how well the clip's going to turn out, but I just had you guys like mounted up here and then over here. I just made a deal on all these leggings. These are from a Target clothing buyout I had. And I was selling them for $1 a piece to get rid of them. And then a lady's buying all of them for 3 for 2. So basically 66 cents a piece. And so far, the first box had 64 of them. So this would be like 40 bucks per box, so that's good. This is their $3 bin. Miscellaneous hanging clothing is mostly like $5. Those Russell jackets I sell for $5. I paid $1 a piece for those. Radios are like 10. Fans are 30. The lighting is like 15, depending. Then I have a $1 bin here, and then this is all dollar stuff as well. So gives you a look at the flea market. So slowed down now. It is going on 10 o'clock in the morning and not quite as busy, so it gives me a minute to count these clothes up. The lady's coming back in like an hour after she goes around and shops the flea market to pick up 3 cases. So that's going to be over $100, so that's definitely helpful. And she's interested in buying some other stuff for me in bulk as well. So hopefully she wants this clothing down here because I don't have room for it right now, and it's not super fast sellers. So get that sold. Might be like a $150 deal when it's all said and done. I'll keep you posted. So this stuff sounds really good for me, but once it takes room, I have that picture ones I pull out for the boxes. I sell the entire, so that size box for 10. It's a big Home Depot box for 15. So I have 2 of these as well. One here and one here. You know, like this is a nice little charger set, car and home. Some stuff might not be worth anything, but you'd have to have like a bin like this for people to rummage through. You know what I mean? That's $3. So if you want to do that too, but otherwise I'm gonna take them out of here tonight if you don't want them and get them back to storage. So I have the space back. So it'll be 10 bucks a box. I have this one here, that one. Still plenty of good stuff in there. What are you looking for?
I spent 5 for the I'm gonna buy
The lightning cable one?
This is like the same looking one.
That's the thing for the 4. I think the 5 is the skinny one or no?
It looks like that.
That's probably a thing.
I'll have to look it up. I'm about to buy it anyway. I can't find it.
And the cool thing about this one is it does have a regular port on the top for if you had to install your phone or something.